Sorry. Get back.
Anyị na-abịa. Ifeanyi, yiri akpụkpọ ụkwụ gị.
Oh.
Obi, gawa ka m kpọchie ụzọ.
Ngwa na-abịa. Ngwa.
Okay. We're coming. Ifeanyi, sorry.
Yeah, go
on. Yiri.
Ifeanyi, yiri akpụkpọ ụkwụ gị.
Okay.
Gịnị bụ yiri?
I know what it is. I just forgot.
Gịnị bụ ụkwụ?
Ụkwụ. Is it like?
What else apart from the leg? Could it be any part of the leg, or does it have to be a special part?
It could be like it could be your foot, depending. Like
yeah, so it can be any part, isn't it? Okay. So Ada, remember Ada Wuma. So Ada say, Ifeanyi, yiri akpụkpọ ụkwụ gị. Okay, assuming let me say, maybe this will help. Oro na Ada say, Ifeanyi, yiri akwa gị.
Okay, so clean or yiri akwa gị. Maybe like make your bed.
Okay. Wacheta ihe anyị na-ekwu maka cheta the top. Gịnị bụ the topic?
Going out.
April. Yeah. Okay. So Masa Ifeanyi yiri akwa gị. Gịnị bụ Ifeanyi yiri akwa gị if they're planning to go out? What do you think?
Put on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Put on your clothes.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah. So yiri, put on. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So Ifeanyi yiri akpụkpọ ụkwụ gị bụ.
Okay. So put on your shoes.
Yeah. Good. Okay. Ifeanyi yiri akpụkpọ ụkwụ gị.
Okay. And then. Okay. Okay. Obi. Go. I'm maybe coming. Bochi. Uzo. What? Oh, close the door.
Okay. Ngwa gụọ ya n'Igbo nwayọ nwayọ.
Obi, gawa kam kpọchie ụzọ.
Okay. Ngwa gịnị ka ọ pụtara?
Obi, gawa. That's to go, right? So we'll go, right?
Obi, go. Good.
Okay. I'm closing the door.
Yeah. Okay. So Obi, go. Let me close the door. Okay. Or let me lock the door. Actually, this is lock. Okay. So Bochie is lock. Yeah.
Okay. So what's close?
Meche.
Okay.
Okay.
Meche.
Huh?
Meche.
Mechie, yes. Mechie uzo, close the door. What is open the door?
Mepe.
Good. So mepe uzo, open. Mechie uzo, close. Bochie is lock. Yeah. Okay. So kam bochie uzo, let me. So that's what that kam is. Let me do this. Okay.
Let me
go. Kam bochie uzo.
Okay. Okay. So Obi says, "Okay, I'm coming."
Ngwa na-abịa.
Yeah, I'm like that means it's like present. Like I'm in the process of doing it.
Now, can you see I in that sentence?
Well, okay. So he's saying, "Okay, coming," or
yeah. But what that means is that's okay. Come, as in Ada says go. Yeah, let me lock the door. So he's starting to go, and then he's saying to Ada, "You guys be coming."
Okay.
So that's what that sentence is.
Okay. So
that, yeah.
Okay, come on.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. You come. self when you've done. So ngwa na-abịa. Okay? Yeah. If he has said na-abịa, then that's I'm coming. But there's no there. Okay. So he's telling them what to do. Ngwa na-abịa no. Okay. I suppose the other way to say it will be, if I said ngwa na-abịa no, that's another way. Na-abịa no. That way you know he's talking to more than one person. Na-abịa no. So that last no is taken from unu. Remember unu? Meaning you all.
Yeah.
So ngwa na-abịa no.